in the tuition book only?
Yes, ma'am. You write it in your book and practice all the sums. These are very important.
Okay, ma'am.
These are very, very important too. What it is not there in our textbook actually. Evaluate the following questions. Evaluate the following. Here, what is happening? You see, children. The question is given complete square root. It's a very big square root. This is what is the symbol, children? Square root symbol. 400 plus in bracket the number is given as 10,000. The number is given as 10,000 minus another square root and 16 square root of 16 bracket close. You need to find the value of this. First, we know that according to BODMAS, what we are doing first, children? What we are doing first? We are
Brackets.
Brackets.
So, ma'am, first we have to solve the brackets.
Yeah, first you have to solve the brackets. So that what happens, this is a complete 400 you are writing as it is. Then 10,000 can be written as how, children? Can I write?
100 square.
100 square. Very good.
The 100 square.
100 square, right? So
Ma'am, we can write 6. Ma'am, we can write
100 square. Then 16 can be written as, children?
Ma'am, 4 square. Ma'am, 4 square.
4 square. Very good.
Ma'am, 400 can be written as 20 square. Ma'am.
Yes. Now square and root will be inverse, right, children? Shall I remove that? Shall I remove that? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, yes. Just a minute, children. 1 minute. Yeah, please continue and practice that. Hello. Okay. Yeah, here you see the part. It's 400. It's 400 plus this becomes square and root will cancel over here. Only it becomes 100. Here also square and root both will cancel. We will get as a 4. It's nothing but a square root of 100 minus 4. How much, children? 100 minus 4
Ma'am,
is
96.
So, ma'am, 96.
400 plus 96.
496.
What is 496 square root, children? 496, you have square root or not?
Ma'am, I think we don't have.
No, ma'am, the answer is coming in the decimal.
496 is not a perfect square.
How much you
Yes,
have?
ma'am.
Can I say a trick, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, we can take 400 as 20 square plus 10 square minus 2 square, ma'am.
20 square. 20 square.
Plus
Ma'am, the
10.
answer is coming like 22.27.
1 minute, 1 minute. Pallav, can you repeat? 20
Ma'am, we can take
20 square, ma'am.
Okay.
Plus 10 square, ma'am.
2 square.
Yes, ma'am. Minus 2 square. 400 square. 200.
No. This is okay. 400. Then 100 square minus what you are telling? 100. 10 square minus 10 square minus 2 square you are telling?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you write how it happens?
Ma'am, I am thinking the answer is 28 square.
Answer is?
No, ma'am, the answer
No.
is 22.27.
Yeah. That's okay. First, you're supposed to think about it. It's not perfect square. So that if once it is perfect square, you can write it's not a perfect square. How you supposed to find the? You will get decimal, right?
Ma'am, the square root is a decimal number.
Yeah, decimal. Definitely will get here decimal because it's
Ma'am, it's irrational.
yeah. Okay, so till here you just wait, children. We'll go with that part. I didn't explain for the students how you're supposed to. Once it is over, we'll go with this bit. And the next one, you see, another question is given here. Estimate the value of the following. First, let me estimation completion so that you can estimate.
Ma'am, are you writing anything?
No, just before what is the first sum I wrote on the screen now. Follow.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm late, ma'am. I'm so sorry, ma'am. I had a problem, ma'am.
Okay, Shreya. Right. Yep. Next, you see the other bits. To find the square root of 1089. How you supposed to find the square root of 1089, children?
Ma'am, we can
Long
do that
division.
long division, or we can do prime factorization.
Okay.
Or repeated subtraction.
Is it
Ma'am, the answer is 33.
That is okay. That is because it is perfect square. You can write there directly 33 square. It's okay. Now square root of 800. Please, you just wait sometime, children. This we'll discuss the later. But the procedure is the same thing you're supposed to do. The second one, estimate the value of the following nearest whole number. You need to estimate over here. Yesterday also we saw one or two bits estimation in your quiz. Estimate square root of 800 to its nearest whole number. Square root of 800.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I ask you something, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, in the concept you were teaching us about, like how do we find out a square root of a number?
Yes.
In that you did not mention one method, ma'am, the repeated subtraction, ma'am, which I learned it in my school, ma'am, today.
Yeah, repeated subtraction yesterday we discussed, right?
Ma'am, that odd numbers one, no?
Yeah, already we discussed, right, my dear?
Ma'am, we discussed that many days back.
Yeah, that is many days back. Once again we discussed, and yesterday too I discussed repeated subtraction part.
Oh, maybe that day also I was late, and so I didn't hear anything.
Okay. It is already we discussed. Okay, that's okay. Don't worry about that.
Yes, ma'am, it's okay, ma'am, because I already learned it in my school also, ma'am.
Okay. Only the thing what is left over decimal part I didn't discuss. I want to see that questions. If I have one bit, I will go with that so that you can do even that part also. Yeah.
The square root of 800 is 2.3 now.
2.3.
When I estimated, I got 2.
Yeah, this you need to estimate to nearest whole number. We are not going to find exact.
Okay.
Ma'am, first of all, we can take it as 100, so we'll get 10 square.
10 square means 100 in 8 multiplied with. You're telling us how. I think
8 multiplied with 10 square, ma'am.
8 multiplied with 10 square, or else can I write it as 2 into 10 whole square?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can I write like that? Now this becomes what happens. We very nearest we are getting 10 to the 20.
Ma'am, 20 square is 400
20
and
square
into
is
800.
20 square is 400, right?
Yes, ma'am. 20 square is
Square root of
400.
2. 2 is there, right? 2 is there. That's not.
That will be 800.
No. That's not the way we can take another thing. What are the nearest? Suppose 625. 25 times how much? 625.
625.
30 times is 30.
900.
900.
In between, what are those 26, 27, 28 and 29? You have to get from these numbers only. But 26 square is, what is 26 square, children?
Ma'am, 26 square.
Ma'am, 26 square, it will be maximum nearer to 700, not more than that.
26 square.
How much?
Ma'am, 676.
676. Good, Ritvika. 29 square.
29 square.
Ma'am, 841.
It's 841.
27 square.
Ma'am, it's
729.
729.
28 square.
784.
784.
Which is very nearest to 800, children?
Ma'am, 784.
784.
So what we can suppose to write?
228 is the nearest
Yes,
Ma'am,
square.
the value is
Estimate is supposed to
28.28.
estimate, children. Estimation means we are not going to, we are estimating, that's all. We are not giving exact one. So it is estimating nearest to 28 whole number. It says,
Ma'am, one doubt I have, ma'am.
yes, yes.
Ma'am, here is equal to 2 into, in brackets 2 into 10 you wrote. Ma'am, we should write 5 no, ma'am.
This is a student said, but no, we supposed to check like that only. This is the way actually you have to think.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one you see, next one the same way, square root of 250. You can estimate here also. Why? Because we didn't have 625. 225 is 15 square. Then 16 square is nothing but 256.
256 and 17 it
Our
is.
number is exactly, yes, you see, this is 225. This is 256. What is our number here?
Ma'am, approximately we can take it as 15 point something only as the square root.
Yes, ma'am.
15.81139.
Estimation means we are going with 16. Shall I round off and shall I take as 16?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am,
It's
you
better
can
to
take
take it
because
as
it comes
16.
15.8.
Exactly, 15.8 more than 5 means we are going to round up. It's like a 16 only, children. It's not rounding down. If 0.5 below less than 5 means you can go round down.
Ma'am, what if it is 0.5?
Exactly 5 also we will go round.
Then it will go to 16.
Round up
Then also
only.
it will go to 16.
Round up only. Not round down, children. It's exactly 5 also we are going round up only. Yeah.
Ma'am, this was a basic topic in like almost like 3rd grade or 2nd grade.
Ma'am, can you explain this again, ma'am?
2nd grade.
Yeah, we'll go with one more example. 430. You just see 430. Yeah, 430 nearest squares numbers.
Ma'am, 20 square, 400.
20 square is 400.
21 square, 441.
441.
441. Which is
Ma'am,
very
this also we can take as 21 only because it is more nearer.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, should we take a round off, ma'am?
Round up. Why? Because if you do normal also, you will get it as a 20.5. More than 5 only you will get.
Ma'am, we get 20.7.
Yes, ma'am, it's
Ma'am, I got
20.7.
20.73,
20.7. This point more than 5 or equal
Ma'am, it
to
will
5.
be 21.
Yes, ma'am, so it will be 21.
We are making as a rounding off as a 21 because you are asking in a, you just write as a whole number. You just estimate as a whole number, nearest whole number. So we are not going to take a decimal number. We are going to take with a 21. The same way you have
Ma'am, there are very less students today, ma'am. Only 15 members.
maybe some other joined in the next class, ma'am. Next 8B class. Some students are in 8B too. Because convenient timings are, if they're not adjusted the same timings, they're going. 1,000 children, how you supposed to 1,000 can be estimated?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I got it as 32.
Very good. Let me check. 30 becomes.
Yes, ma'am, it's 31.6 actually.
Yes, ma'am, so 32.
Yes,
Because
ma'am, it's
31.6.
31.6.
32 becomes 31.96. 31.96 means 96 are only 6 children.
Only 6, ma'am.
Okay, so it's more than.
Only 6, ma'am.
Ma'am, 31 square is 961.
Round up, children. Round up and write it as 32. Yeah, estimation. Once
Yes,
estimation
ma'am.
is there means you have to do even your calculations. You can check whether you're doing correct or not also. Okay, children, that's all. This is about estimation value of the following whole root numbers to nearest whole numbers. Next.
ma'am, did we start the exercise?
No, exercise sums already over in our these are extra.
Ma'am,
These are extra.
did we complete exponents and powers, ma'am?
This is squares and square roots. Do you?
Yeah, I know that, but I don't know if we completed the exponents and powers.
Sometimes the question is, no, it's of course it is come under the exponential concept too. But here we are separate chapter squares and square roots. Exponents and powers are completed for you children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You see the,
Ma'am?
yeah, listen children, listen. Find the square root of the following. Find the square root of the following. Square root of the following. Find the square root of the following. So here what is the first number is given? 1024 divide with 2401. It's really, yeah. Children,
Ma'am, 1024 is of 32.
yes, it is 32. You know anyway directly you can. Why? Because 32 multiplied with 32 you can get as 102 for 2401.
Ma'am, 2401 is of 49.
Very good, very good. How you are telling this much fast means you can check the units digit children. Check the unit.
Yes, ma'am, it's pretty simple.
What are the possible numbers occurring?
Ma'am, the 2 and 2 get cancelled, ma'am.
Yeah, squares will be cancelled over here. Yes, we can write it as 32 by 49. Why? Because it's a squaring of both sides will get cancelled over here. Here 32 by 49 is the correct answer, children. You can do within 10 seconds.
Yes, ma'am.
You can do within 5
Ma'am, the square root is like a decimal number. Like,
yeah, okay, right now, right. This is one more question given in the examination. And the other question is in the same way, the question is tested in the variable part 2, children. Variable part 2 means this is very simple question. You can do very easily, but I didn't explain here. You need to find out the square root for this. By seeing it, since you can say it's 8 by 8 upon 15, right?
8115.
8, right. The other bit like a 16 a to the power 6, you need to find square root of this number. How you supposed to find this, children? Can I write?
ma'am, the square root of 16 is 4, ma'am.
Yeah, can I write?
Ma'am, 4a to the power 4.
And
4a power 6.
a cube whole square. Shall I write power raised power? Yes,
Yes,
or no?
ma'am, you can write.
Yes, ma'am.
Both twos will cancel, ma'am.
Yeah. Now this can be written as 4a cube whole square. 4a cube whole square square root. So root and square get cancelled. What is left over, children? What is left over here?
4a, 4a cube.
4a cube.
Yes, 4a cube. You are using exponent concept. What is this? Power raised to power. You can express
Power
it.
gets
Yes, ma'am.
multiplied.
Yeah, that's very important, children. Use that. Even algebraical concepts they will mix up and give the testing also. It's very simple, as common as what you learned. The same thing. And other question tested in one more paper. 49 x to the power 4 and y square. 49 x to the power 4 and y square.
Ma'am, we can write 7 square, x to the power 2, whole to the power 2, and y
2
square.
y square, ma'am.
7 square
Square
it is
into
not
x power
X to the power 2 to the power 2, and then y.
and y square.
now
Now we can
just
take round
express
off
all in,
as
now you just express all the terms in powers
7x square y.
7x square y
Ma'am.
y to the power square. Root and
Ma'am,
square
the twos will
cancel.
cancel, ma'am.
Ma'am, 7x square y is the
7x
answer.
square y. That's all. Can I give some bits to
Ma'am.
practice? Yes.
Ma'am, will you once again explain me that, ma'am? Like,
Sure.
is everybody was shouting? I got confused.
Okay, sure. Okay, right. Shri, just here 49 can be written as 7 square.
7 square.
Yeah, x raised to power 4 can be written as x square whole square power raised.
Whole powers 2.
Right. Next, y square is the same as it is. I'm writing now everything a power m, b power m, and c power m. This is in the form of a power m, b power m, c power m. Why? Because you see the powers for all two same. So how you supposed to write A, B, C whole power m, right?
Whole power square.
Oh, that's right.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the thing left? 7x square y. That's all. 7x
Yes,
square.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Good. Done. Right. And next one. There is a question, children. This is one more application part is tested in the squares and square roots. A certain number of boys agreed to donate to a flood relief camp. You just children, why too late? Maybe the students don't know the timing changes. They're joining.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please repeat your question?
Okay. Yeah, children, please let me write on the screen. The question is, a certain number of boys agreed to donate to a flood relief camp as many pies. Each three were donors. Let me write on the screen, children, so that you can understand the question. It's the question number 6. A certain number of boys, yeah, boys are very ready to help the people who are really in trouble.
Ma'am, you are doing from textbook or practice sums?
These are not from textbook, no. These are another extra sums. These are some competitive examinations are given. That bits I'm giving. Even I didn't check this bit. This is the latest bit. A certain number of boys agreed to donate.
Ma'am, this we will try first ourselves, then
Yeah,
we will send in personal
because this
chat.
is for you only. Donate to a flood relief. What is meant by flood, children? Where floods happens?
It's a natural phenomenon.
Very good.
Ma'am, it's a natural disaster.
Very good.
Disaster.
Okay. Flood relief.
Ma'am, I say like whenever I get stuck in some like exam, ma'am, I say this is a disaster. This is a disaster.
A certain number of boys agreed to donate a flood relief camp. As many pies. Children, even I didn't check this question. Please try. This is a very important question. Is given in the one of the competitive updated. Just now I think updated question it is. A certain number of boys agreed to donate a flood relief camp. As many pies. Each has.
Ma'am, what did you write there? As many?
Pies. P-A-I-S-E. Pies. Rupees, paisa, right? Paise. You can pronounce
That one.
different
Okay, ma'am.
ways, right?
Okay.
Each has their donors. How many donors are there? That many donors. Donors means who are helping for the people in trouble. The whole amount of donation was the whole.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the question.
Yeah,
Ma'am, even I did not understand.
You just first complete. Let me complete the question. The whole amount of the donation. The whole amount of the donation was rupees. How much it is collected, children? Rupees 7174.09. 7174.
Okay.
How many donors were there? This is the question.
Ma'am, 717400.
717400.
Ma'am. 717409 donors were there.
How many donors were there? Once again, read the question. Try to understand the question.
Ma'am, isn't the currency changed from pies to rupees?
How many donors?
Ma'am, 100 paise are there in 1 rupee.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
717409 donors were there.
717409.
717409.
Seven one seven four zero nine.
Yeah, where?
Ma'am, these many donors were there. 717409 donors.
No, no, you first listen, understand the question. That is why you have to see how much you not understand the point. The question is, a certain number of boys agreed to donate to the flood relief camp. As many paisa each of there were donors. How many donors are there? That many paisas are donating. The whole amount collected by the donation was 7174.09. How many donors were there? My question is very clear, children. So,
Ma'am, it is
Ma'am, means each
Yes,
donor is
7174
ma'am.
giving 1 paisa, no?
717409 donors.
Yes, ma'am.
no, listen.
717409 only.
Suppose X donors are there, the same number of paisas will collect from the, yes or no? The same number of paisas will collect from the X number of donors. That means this,
Ma'am,
yeah,
the total amount calculated it was 7174.09 rupees.
yes,
In 1 rupee there are 100 paisas. So
okay.
we have to multiply this
Yes,
amount
ma'am.
by 100
Yes,
and we will get the
yes,
donor.
yes. Directly you can get. That means how many? If you suppose you see, children, this is rupees. You have to convert. You have to convert means what you are getting 717409. So x multiplied with x means x square is this much. You need to find x value. Yes or no? You need to find x value means square root of.
Ma'am, 847. 847.
Yeah, you check it, Mama. You check it, please. I didn't do this. You have
Ma'am,
to.
I didn't understand.
Children, listen.
Ma'am, I did not understood why did you take x square?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
X
See, children. Suppose there are 10 students are there. Suppose there are 10 students are there. There, how much? What is according to our question? How much money they are giving?
1 paisa each.
No, suppose 10 students are there. How much money they are giving to for donation? How much money is given as a donation?
Ma'am, each paisa per student.
That means 10 student means how much amount collected?
10
10
paisa.
paisa.
10
So
paisa.
10 into 10 you are doing, right?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
why we are doing into 10, ma'am?
Ma'am, 10 into 10, no. 1 into
10.
10 we will do, no. 1
Yes,
paisa each.
ma'am.
So 1
10
into
ones
10.
are.
No, children.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
understood.
actually this
One
question
minute,
is given in confusing way.
1 minute, children. A certain number of boys agreed to donate. The question is okay. As many paisa each as there were donors. How many donors are there? That many, the same number of paisas are collecting. That means one child.
Ma'am, now I understood, ma'am.
Ah,
If there were 100 donors, they will contain 100 pies.
okay, yeah, 100 pies. That means
So they donated 1 rupee.
yeah, the question is you have to see here the word is given each paisa by each, as many as paisa by each. Suppose 100 donors is there means how much paisa collected by one
Ma'am,
collect.
Ma'am,
10,000
they will
paisa.
Why I multiplied means just now the same number of paisas are collected from the each donor. So that's why x into x is nothing but this is already in rupees. This is first.
Ma'am, then in that case the answer is 847.
Answer is, well, you please find out the square root of that. Let me check the answer whether what you are there.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's
it's
847 only.
847.
1 minute, then I'll see I'll check the answer. 3 point. Eight 47 donors, Nana.
Yes, ma'am, the same answer.
847 donors. You understand the question is given each member is how many donors are each collected by that many. That means you are multiplying with suppose 100 are there means 100 into 100 paisa. X donors means we don't know the number of donors. X into X multiplied with X is given as 7174.09. It is given in rupees so that you have to convert into paisas.
Ma'am, means if there are 4 donors, then 16 paisa each will give.
Yeah. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Right. Now you understand, children. This is one more application part for your squares and square roots. Please think and do the sum. Next, other question.
Ma'am, from where did you get this question? Where can we find like these
No,
questions?
some part is there. They will update any questions are there. They will update in our team members. Or they will update. If any new questioning is happening, we are sharing and updating with the students too, children. If any will get already question bank we made and we sent. I didn't add some questions over there. I should add and update the question bank too. Next one, see, this is old question, it's not a new one. There are 1048 students selected for PT drill. There are 1048. How many students are selected for
1048.
1048.
Are you doing in your schools, children, drills? Yes or no? Actually,
Ma'am, we are not going to school from long time.
we are not going.
Yes, ma'am,
We are
2
going,
years.
right? I can see my students. I'm in front line means my student back line children are playing. When I'm going to back, front will play. Only senior students they will do like that. Everything missed children. Really, that fun is missing a lot. We are sitting alone in homes, and it's really very.
And ma'am, now these are final years of our schooling.
Really, it's a lot of paining for me. When the
Ma'am, in our school, we didn't run school for 2 years.
yeah, really.
Ma'am, we can do it using a long division, no, ma'am?
Long division, or you can use prime factorization method. Anything you can use, Nana. Anything you can use. Both methods. Which one you comfort, you can use that method. Next.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one. There are 1048 students selected for PET drill. The number is 1048.
Ma'am, for what purpose?
Some school academic, some or else sports meet, something I don't know what is happening. They were made to stand in such a way that number of rows equal to number of columns. This is very simple question. You can do as fast as.
Ma'am, root of 1048.
Yeah, x square is equal to 1048. X square equal to 1048. X is equal to
root of 1048.
What is the value of square root 1048?
Ma'am, 32 we can round off. 32.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Ma'am, anything
It will be
128 would not have a
35.
square
It will be
root.
35.3.
Okay, it's not coming exactly. Wait a minute. The question is a very good question. Actually, it is. Okay, stand in rows and columns, but how many children will be left out from the arrangement? How many?
Ma'am, 1048 minus 1024 means 36 students will be left, ma'am.
Yeah, actually, which is the nearest square of 1048?
Ma'am, 32, which is 1024.
32.
So, ma'am, 36 students will be left.
1024.
24.
So you have to subtract from your number, children. Those are the leftover children.
Ma'am, 36.
It's 24, ma'am.
How many? 24. Yes, right. 24. Yeah, 24 students are left over. Children, please practice this type of application part. There is another question. This is only, I think, I feel little toughest one. There is one more value-based question also dropped by the teacher. Find the smallest square number which has the first 4 numbers as its factors. Please think about this, some children. I'll write on the screen. Find the smallest square number. Find the smallest square number. Smallest square number which has the first 4 numbers as its factors. Which has.
Ma'am, I'm trying to solve the upper question, ma'am. X is equal to 717409.
How much you got X value?
Ma'am, actually, I think it will be going into points, I think.
No points. The children already find that if they got
Yes, ma'am, it is in points, but we can round off to 32 and 24 students will be left.
Not this one. You are asking which one? He is asking about the earlier one, 717409.
No, ma'am, that is exact answer. 847.
That once again, please recheck that what you are doing. Please do that once again.
Okay,
Find
ma'am.
the smallest square number which has the first four numbers, which has the first four numbers. Today my pen was not working. I don't know what is happening to this. From morning onwards, I need to change this, children. Please bear with my handwriting today. First four.
Yes, ma'am. That's why your handwriting is coming in a signature way.
Four numbers as its factors.
Ma'am, is it 444100?
No. As it factors. So the question once again, find the smallest square number which has the first four numbers. Which has the first four numbers as factors. First four numbers as its factors. Please think about the question. What you should do here, please think about it.
Ma'am, can we repeat the digits?
Find the smallest square number which has the first four numbers, which has the first.
I have a doubt.
As its factors. First, please think. I'll help you anyway. Navyasri, I'll help. Please think about the question. It's a very interesting riddle. Find the smallest square number which has the first four numbers as its factors.
Ma'am, is the number squared or is it supposed to be squared?
No. Find the smallest square number. You have to find the square number. Yeah, how it is? It is first four numbers as its factors. It's a small riddle for you, children. Please think and get back. It's a small riddle.
Ma'am, I got.
Ma'am, is it 210?
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
For which bit you got, Siddhartha? Earlier one?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that is 717409.
7 on. What is the answer?
Ma'am, I got it as 847, ma'am. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am, it's
847 only correct.
correct.
8 for donors, right? 847 donors.
Ma'am, with long division I didn't get it, so I did it with prime factorization.
Okay, any method is comfort. I didn't mention you how to do particular method. I didn't mention anywhere, right? It's nothing but 847 donors. Yeah, please think about this riddle and come back with your answer, children. I won't reveal that riddle answer now. Please think about. If I'm giving direct answer, you're not going to think anything. You will come with.
Ma'am, can you show the riddle, ma'am?
Yeah. Fifth one is your riddle, children.
Is it 210? Answer.
210. You can please.
No, ma'am. It has only first four numbers are there. Means the number is at least.
It should be at least 5 digits.
Number.
Yes,
ma'am.
At least 5 or more than 5 should be. Very good. Yeah, please think about and come back, children. That's all for the. That is about the what is given in that. And squaring numbers anywhere application. Yeah.
Ma'am, today can we play quiz? 2 quizzes.
One more. 1 minute, Sahu. There is another question. Yes, Pallav.
Ma'am, in this fifth question, if we take the square number as x square, then its first four digits should be as it is factors, ma'am.
Yes. How you supposed to thinking, Jashmita? What are the number you are thinking there? Yes.
Ma'am, I'm actually very confused. N number should be
Ma'am, 3600.
Okay.
Ma'am, N numbers I'm trying to do, ma'am, first.
Okay.
Then I'll do the middle numbers.
Okay. Anyway, please think about it. Tomorrow we'll go with explanation.
Ma'am,
No,
is it 3600?
no, dear. 3600. 3600. But zeros.
Ma'am, it is 60 square.
Mm.
Ma'am, I'm getting 900, ma'am.
No, you think and come back, children. Don't waste. There is another question. A gardener.
Ma'am, but how can 0 be any number's factor?
That's why. How they are telling the same. Both the students are telling the same answer. 900. One is giving. Another one is giving as 3600. If zeros, how they will pack? They didn't think anything. Only they are giving.
Yes, ma'am. It's not very means
Yeah,
not.
it's not valid actually what they are
Yes,
giving.
ma'am.
Okay. Next, we'll go with a gardener planted an orchard with 5 to 6. Sorry, children. This is 5, 6, 2, 5. Application part, I didn't give anything in squares too. A gardener planted 5, 5, 6, 2, 5 trees and arranged them so that the number of rows equal to number of columns. Number of rows equal to number of columns. Find the rows of the trees in the garden. What you should do? You should do?
Ma'am, under
X
root, which is
square equal to-
75.
Yes.
75, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Very good. Yeah, I told one example also 15 square, 20 square, 35 square. What is that trick, children? Do you remember that? Or you forget about
Yes,
that part
ma'am.
also?
Yes, ma'am, I remember.
What is that?
Ma'am, it's
Ma'am, I used that breaking one only here because 70 squared will be 4900 and it's 5 there, so it will
No,
be 5
15
in the
square
units
means
place.
how you supposed to write to 25. This is you have to add up one number to this. This become 2. 2 into 1, 225.
Ma'am, 4,500. Is it correct, ma'am?
75 into 75, 25. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 into 7 is
56.
8 sevens are 56. Yes, no. This is the technique. Don't forget. You just, whenever you are getting such numbers, use that so that once again you will recall means you are fine. Yeah. Next, a cinema hall has your.
Ma'am?
You want to go for movies, right, children? A cinema hall has 6, 7, 5, 6 seats in all. The seats are arranged equally along the rows and columns. How many seats? By seeing it seems you can answer. 676. 676. Square root of 676. Square root of 676.
Ma'am, 26.
26. There are 26 rows and 26 columns. That's all. The next one, the sum of squares of two numbers. So this is a little interesting. The sum of squares of two numbers. The sum of squares of two numbers. Suppose any two.
Ma'am, it's x square plus x square plus y square.
Anything. You take x square plus y square is 1088. You take 1088. If one of the number is 8, find the other number. This is one more application part, children. One number means you take either x or y is 8. Find the other number.
Ma'am, we need to simply subtract 1088 minus 64. We get 1024 and the other number will be 32.
Yes, right. This is direct questions. We know the concepts, but you have to apply how you're supposed to do the sum. Very simple question it is. 8 square. 8 square means
64.
Yeah, 64.
Subtract 1088 minus 64. We'll get 1024 and under root which is 32.
1 minute. I'm unable to write. Yeah, it's 64. Yeah, 8 square. If you take x as 8 means 8 square plus y square, 1088. Y square is equal to this 8 square.
1088 minus 8 square.
8 square is 64, children. 1088.
1088 minus 64.
1024.
1024.
Yeah, y value.
Y square is equals to 1024. Y is equals to 32.
1024. Yeah, I can listen. Nice whistle. Who is that? Oh, nice. Who is that? Who is that, Sahu?
Ma'am, I guess it is Akash.
Akash. Where are
Oh,
you?
I didn't listen, ma'am, really.
Akash?
Ma'am, Elia didn't visit.
Then
Oh, sorry. I mean, that's why I said I guess because Akash was there in talking like that.
some boy is enjoying. I don't know what he is doing. Okay. Y is nothing but how much, children? Y is
Ma'am, 32.
that's all. That's all. Y value is 32. You can see in this way. And the next part you have to see. These are many applications, children. In examination, whatever the question is given for you, you just see whether it is you need to find square or square root. You have to think and do the sums. I didn't discuss about decimal point, how you're supposed to find the decimal point. Yeah, we'll go with that part, and then here also the same way how we are doing for normal whole numbers. Decimal number, how you're supposed to find the square root, you have to see that. The same way you have to mark the periods. Suppose I want to find 30 square root of 3025.2578. How I supposed to do, children? If I want to find the square root of this number, what I should do? I should mark periods. How I should mark periods, children? First,
Ma'am, we can find the square roots of the after
7.2530.
decimal and before decimal one.
very good. We should separate before decimals and after decimals separately. You have to mark a periods. So I marked before decimal number whole part I marked. Then decimal part also you should mark as it is. Now you go with the same procedure, children. Now you go with the same procedure. Nearest to 30, which is the square of nearest to 30? 5 square. 5 square is 25. The same procedure. We can go with the 5 square is 25. So it's 25. Leftover is minus 5. So bring down this period 525. So 5 becomes twice of 5. Twice of 5 means how much, Nana? 10. 10.
10.
So 10 how many times? 525.
5.
105
5.
into 105 into 5. 525. Very good. It's
Now we have to keep
now decimal point is there. You have to place your decimal point in your question too. Then bring down, get down the
And 5 square as it is.
yeah, 5. So what you should do, children, here? What you should do?
Ma'am, we have to.
You have to write 1 as it is. You have to 1 as it is. Then
Ma'am, you wrote 10.
Sorry, you both numbers you have to write as it is. Then what you're supposed to take? This 5 becomes twice means 10.
25.
That means you have to add carry over here, children. That means it becomes 11, Nana. 11. Very good. 11. It becomes 11. Understood this point, children? What I'm doing here?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Or else if you are not getting, please let me know so that I can help you, children, because you may confuse. This is the first time you are doing.
Ma'am, ma'am, why did you add 11, ma'am? You have to add 10.
Very good question. Very good question. You see here. You see here. I think till here you understand. Till here you understand, right, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is 5. 5 becomes 10. This is 2-digit number. Yeah. This is 5 times 25. I'm doing here, children, because there is a clumsy. Leftover is 5. One more period I'm getting down, bringing down one more period. That's 25. So 525 means if I'm keeping 5 over here, then I'm getting 525. Now point straight point decimal point are occurring, so that I'm keeping in question to decimal point. Then now your follow carefully, you observe. We have to see only make this digit as double. If you make this digit double, what happens, follow?
Ma'am, it will become 10.
10. But 10 is 2-digit number. We are unable to write 10 as a 2-digit number. What we should do? 0 you have to write that one number, whatever the number you are there, that you should make a carry over. Before going to that, you have to start over from here. It is already 1. It is 0 is there, but this one extra number you are moving towards, it's nothing but 110. Right? 110.
Yes, ma'am.
Now bring down the period. What is this? 25. 25 is not happening right here. So you need to get two periods at a time. What if you bring in 2 periods at a time? What you should do, children?
We have to add 0.
You have to add 0. Wonderful. You have to add 0. So that what it happens? Yeah, how many times? 1 0 1 0
Ma'am, actually this is not a perfect square.
Okay,
Because numbers ending with 2378 is not a perfect square.
no, decimal part. You are dropping 2 decimal point and leave it. That's all. You just extend this number as 2 more decimal.
Ma'am, this will not be possible.
No, what is the see, ma? How you supposed to group here the same way what you are doing? How, why you are telling we group the numbers as everything? If the number is, yeah, you can round off. It is possible. Why you are telling Nana? Exactly, it will not come. Exactly, it will not come. You can round off. It's nearest to 55 point something. What is the next digit you are getting here? Suppose if I'm taking 2 here, 2 here, it is 2000, right? 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2, again
22.
1s are 2. So here you are taking as 2 number 2. So whatever the number, you can round up. You can just leave like that 55 point. It's not exactly a square number, but we can approximation will happen. Approximation will happen, but it is supposed to given as a square number. Just a minute, children. Let me check whether I'm writing number correct or not. 30252578, and another one is given as, yeah, I just okay. The question is asking only group the numbers, but I'm taking as a squaring numbers. Okay, this is the procedure you can do, children, but it is not happening exact square number. We'll go with one more. Actually, procedure is the same thing. Procedure is the same thing what we are doing for the square numbers too, but it is not coming exact square number. Actually, it is not given for squaring. It is given for marking periods. I'm taking maybe it is happening. I'm taking, but you go with other example 150. Please go with this example, children. 150 point same decimal number you take 0625. Same way you can mark decimal places as well as whole part as periods, so that what happens here, which is nearest to that one square, so that get bring down the next period. It's 50. 1 become twice means it's 2. It's 2. 50, how many times you are occurring, children? Shall I take as 5 times? Yes or no? Children, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
There is a very pin drop silent means it's happening. If 25, 5 is not 5 are 25, 2 times, children. 25 2s are 50. Yes, I can see some answer also. It's same decimal point over there. Get down the period. It's 06. 06 will happen, children. This you have to mark once again. 2 right as it is. You make the second digit as
double the number 4.
Double the number 4. Now you have to see it is only 6.
Ma'am, we have to take the one more group. 625. So 25 into 25.
Yes. What you supposed to see over there? What you have to take? You can take directly the decimal part. You can take directly the decimal part. Children, what we are doing is correct or not?
Correct, ma'am.
Correct, ma'am.
12 point. How much you are getting? 12 point. I am getting as 12 point. What is the value you are getting, children? What is the value you are getting, please? Is it 12?
I got the answer as 12.25.
Yeah, 12.25. Where we are doing, you need to get more 2 periods at a time.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is already decimal place only, right? Why we?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, Sahu. Sahu, you are audible, Sahu. Sahu.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Ritvik, we'll go with please. 12 point. Akash. Yeah. It is a decimal place. No need of, I think, no need of take 0 to children. Directly you can go with how many times? 2 times. 2 times.
Yes, ma'am.
How many
242.
times? 2 times, right?
2 times.
2 times how much, children?
4, ma'am. 484.
2 times how much? It's 2 times is
484.
2.
Ma'am, it's 484, 242 into 2.
Okay, right. 482. 482 subtraction after what you are getting, children? Yes. What is the value of this? What is the value of this, children?
Ma'am, 143.
Is it 3?
Ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
143.
143. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
143.
143.
Now what you're supposed to do? 2, 4, 2, 4. This is
4.
4.
8.
Now you have to check, children, what you're supposed to take over here. You can make already decimal 2 periods. You have one period means 2 zeros. You have to bring down 2 zeros means how many times it happens? Maybe it happens with 5 only. And with zeros means it happens.
Yes, ma'am, it happens 5 times.
5.
And ma'am, the answer comes 12,225.
Yes, you have to multiply and give this, children. Multiply and give this.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, that's
12,225.
12,000?
225, ma'am.
It is not
12,225.
happening exactly.
No, ma'am, it's not.
No, but somewhere we are doing wrong, children. It is 12.25 exactly. We will get. Wait a minute. Let me check the question.
Ma'am, if we do it 6 times, then the answer is exceeding. It's coming 14,676.
But 1 to yeah, subtraction part. What 484? 484 where it happens. It's not 6. What we are doing is 50. 50 means.
Ma'am, 50 minus 44 we should do, right?
Why, children? You are not correcting me, children. What I'm writing simply you are taking. 22 times how much, children? 22 2 times 44.
how
much?
Ma'am, it's
Yes,
44.
ma'am, when I was
There will
doing
be
also
6.
I got
Yeah,
confused.
no one is not opening the mouth. We are going continuously making means we are continuously. Yeah, somewhere. This is what is left over here. 6.
Ma'am, 6.
6.
Now you will get directly.
6,
Now you get directly. You see that. Do once again, please. 150. Very simple bit it is actually. We are doing somewhere wrong. Complete thing. See how much it is happening. Now go with the periods. It's a single period, single number. So 1 ones are 1. Get down 50. So 1 become twice. So 2. If I'm taking 22 2 times, it's
44.
yeah, this is
6.
where we are making mistakes.
6.
It happens completely.
606.
Get down the period. 1 period only. Even I'm
Ma'am, it will become.
We will take as it is, and ma'am, same we have
Yes,
to take
ma'am.
that. It will be 242 only.
242.
The answer is 484.
Yes, 484. 484 means leftover parties. Leftover parties. 2. Leftover how much, children? 2.
142, ma'am.
Ma'am, 122.
Ma'am, 122.
122. Now bring down this period. Now you will get exactly. See, children. 2 4 2 4 4 2 4 4. If you take as 5 directly, 1 5 directly, you will get the answer. 1 2.
Yes, ma'am, 12,225.
Yes, it's a 0. This is correct. This is correct, children. Instead
Ma'am, it's very satisfying to see our answer is correct.
because instead of 44, we are taking somewhere some other number. As you see, children, the same way you are doing. Because as a change.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can we
we
go
took
with the
directly
quiz?
0. We took for 50 only.
Yes, now you start. I'll make a small quiz for you, even with the square root. So please do that. This is one more bit for you. Practice, children. Please sit with your answer tomorrow. Yes, children, please.
Ma'am?
Someone voice I can hear. Please take 4 bits as a homework, children. Quickly take these 4 bits as a homework part. Please practice decimal division. I didn't give many bits. Only 2-3 bits as a homework. 13.134 point 134 point 134 point.
Ma'am, it's not visible. Okay.
0 0. How many zeros are happening? 6 zeros, Nana. Point after 1 2 3 4 6 zeros are happening. Please find the square root of this number.
Ma'am, it's simply 134, no?
But it is in square root, no?
Ma'am, but we can consider it as directly 134.
I don't know. Whatever you want to consider, please do it. That's why I gave the bit. Please try it. What happens? Please see and get with your answer tomorrow. Maybe it is continuous or recurring or continuous. You see that part also. Next one. Or if you are not getting, please estimate. Actually, you have said what.
Ma'am, this one is actually very big.
Which one? Fourth one?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
fourth one is very simple, ma'am. Only 134, no, ma'am.
134 only. You do and get with your answer.
134
Ma'am, but we are getting in decimal very long one.
Yes, 4225 children. One more thing, 4225. These 2 bits, only 2 bits for your work.
Ma'am, we get 7 digits after decimal in the fourth one.
Okay, you have to correct up to 2 decimal places and get with your answer. If you are getting like that, you have to correct up to 2 decimal places, Nana.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, that's why I gave the number. Why I am giving that number means you can think at least something with that. Okay.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am?
Ashrita.
Ma'am, can you post this video in the Google Classroom?
Sure, ma, sure. Ashrita, why?
Ma'am, the fifth one
Ma'am,
comes
I've
to
joined in the
decimal places
middle,
only.
ma'am, actually today.
Okay, Ashrita, I'll post the same thing in the classroom or else in our...
Ma'am, can you once scroll up?
Okay. This part don't write, Nana. This is, we wrote a little incorrect. Yeah, we'll go with the second part. That is only the correct.
Ma'am, are you taking the quiz now?
Children, it's already 7:06 today. You are okay means I will take, or else if you feel little...
Yes, ma'am, it is okay.
Yes, ma'am, it is okay.
For all the student concern, I want, because some students may be...
Ma'am, for me also okay, ma'am.
Okay, I want from Ritvik. Ritvik?
Yes, ma'am, it's fine.
I'm fine with it.
Okay, now yes.
Ma'am, 4 out of 16 are okay.
Rest all are not giving concern.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Now 5.
A
6.
small 10 questions, a small quiz will play, children.
Ma'am, once can you show the homework?
Homework 134. Don't feel, children. If you are getting continued like that only, don't feel. You can correct up to 2 decimal places.
Ma'am, this fifth one is perfect. We get only 2.
Okay, not fifth one. About fourth one, Sahu.
Ma'am, what?
Fourth bit.
No, ma'am, fourth bit is very long. We get 7 digits.
Please try it, because that bits will help in... yesterday one question I got from what is irrational number. You will get answers for if you do such a numbers.
Yes, ma'am. Irritational, irrigational, and irrational.
Everything will get there.
Ma'am.
What, children? Okay, children, let me share my presentation link for your...
Ma'am, use that our shortcut which we created in last period.
Who is that?
Ma'am, me, ma'am.
Shreshi, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I wanted to tell that I have like one fact about these square numbers, ma'am.
Please share with your friends. Come on, quick. Meanwhile, I'll share my link too.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in that Jamboard, I mean, like in that page only, I can only be able to tell. Anyways, I'll just tell it normally, verbally. It's that if how can we find out
Ma'am, we
like
created the shortcut that day. You can directly go there.
Where I didn't find...
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, go to Chrome. Means cancel this tab, ma'am. Close this tab.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, you have to go to new Chrome.
Ma'am, that plus
Ma'am,
symbol is there,
new tab
right?
now.
Okay, new tab.
Top right.
Okay, new.
Ma'am, now here only
Yes,
you
ma'am,
can
there.
see.
Yes, ma'am, down it is there.
only, ma'am. Third option. Down. Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
right.
ma'am, that
Thank
one.
you, children. Thank you. You are making my work easier. Good. This is squares and square roots. Square roots will go, children, because square roots we didn't practice. Squares you are practicing
ma'am.
3 times. We'll go with the square roots today. Keep us.
ma'am, in that window only, ma'am, and like only by writing only I can be able to explain.
Okay, okay, okay. We'll go with Srivi. Just a minute, ma'am.
Ma'am, there is estimating square roots also.
Yeah, we one step by step we'll go, Sahu.
Okay, ma'am.
So at least 10 minutes time we are using means you can learn at least. Hey, stop it noise. I didn't find this one. Okay, I'm getting right.
Ma'am, the first one we can take. It is
That's like
22,
square
but
root.
it is 7 to 8 only.
Okay, 9th to 10th grade if I'm
Ma'am, that's super. You need
Super
subscription for the
one.
second one.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, take the first one only, no.
Okay.
Ma'am, that one is 7th grade. Ma'am, take first one only, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's 7 to 8, but.
Right, children, right. We'll go with first one.
Classic.
నాన్న మీరు జస్ట్ ప్లే చేస్తూ ఉండండి నాన్న, నేను వస్తాను, ఒక చిన్న వర్క్ ఉంది కంప్లీట్ చేసి వస్తాను, ఈ లోపు మీరు స్టార్ట్ చేయండి.
Ma'am joined.
Okay, okay. Let them join, all the students too. Anna, please join quickly, children. Come on, please join quickly.
Ma'am, what is the title name, ma'am?
Title?
What is the name of this test?
It's square roots.
Ma'am, ma'am, this test is today only, ma'am, or else you will take the test tomorrow, ma'am.
Tomorrow means your friends are not there. Today means you can write together, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, no, ma'am, one exam you will get, no, ma'am, every Sunday.
Okay, that is prepared by separate manner. That's not from quizzes. Questions, this is only for your practice. Okay,
Ma'am, but you are giving questions from quiz, na, ma'am.
Few questions I will add. A few best questions I will add. Come on, children.
Ma'am, start,
Please,
ma'am. Others will join.
Please join, children. Come on, quickly join. Okay, come on, please start working, children. I will start it.
Ma'am, suddenly my computer is stuck, ma'am. Again it's showing that reconnecting is required, ma'am. Now it's loading for me.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm done with the quiz.
Yes, children. Yes, any difficulty questions are there?
Ma'am, I am also
I
done.
got the difficulty, ma'am. It's again, ma'am. It's showing that there is an error. So can I rejoin?
Okay. Please join once again. Don't worry.
Can we play one more after this?
Okay. I'll share because you are waiting means I'll share one more because
But please don't remove as well.
many students are giving the most of the purple colors I'm getting means.
Ma'am, almost all
Of us
have
have
got the correct
wait.
answer.
Maybe yeah, good children. Maybe easy questions you are having. Little tough. We'll try this.
Yes, ma'am. Most of these are about
Ma'am,
triangles.
Ma'am,
For
this
some
this
reason.
was very easy.
Geometry,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Okay. What is sum of angles in
ma'am,
angle, children? Siddharth.
Ma'am, 180 degree.
180.
180.
ma'am,
Siddharth.
ma'am. Actually, in toppers, ma'am, I
Okay.
am not getting foundation grade 8 one, ma'am.
Grade 8 1.
For practicing, I am only getting weekly test for grade 8, ma'am. That's it.
No, you will get everything right. Material also you can see. You can practice the questions too also.
Ma'am, please don't remove that, ma'am. I'll rejoin.
Okay.
For me, I got. It is not coming, ma'am. For me.
Okay, once Manoj sir, a small request sent to Manoj sir so that sir will help you, Siddharth. Send small request
ma'am.
to Manoj sir. He will see in that because I'm not have much time to see those things. Sir is take caring about those any issues with that technical support for the students. Please find out from sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, has Akash rejoined?
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Because
Yes.
it's showing for me an error.
Ma'am, I got 100% accuracy, ma'am.
Yeah. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am. Even me.
Ma'am, I got 95.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Everyone.
almost all of them got.
Ma'am, I got 100%.
Every time.
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am. One question, like I just saw, ma'am, like one question was given, what is the square root of 49? One place it was written 7 square, and one place it was written 7. I just saw the 7 square and I didn't see the 7.
That is your experience about this quiz, right?
Ma'am, is literally very new for me, ma'am.
Yeah, exactly. This thing you never repeat once again. This mistake. Why? Because you learned your mistake. What I did. Good.
But ma'am, in this quiz there were no redemption questions, ma'am.
Okay.
Continuous.
Yes, ma'am, take a little such that accuracy is less.
Okay. We'll go with little.
Ma'am, wait, I'm still doing.
Yeah. Only 2 students are need to complete. Okay, everyone are completed. Come on, children, quick so that we can end up here. We'll share one more. Maybe children may be tired up from morning schools. Children, all schools have started online classes, right? You are joining every day.
Yes, ma'am. For
Ma'am,
us
my
it's
school
full
started
days.
from
Right now.
Ma'am, for us only 1 month.
But I
Ma'am,
think
I have vacation right now.
yeah.
Ma'am, for us before 1 month only
Ma'am,
it
for
has
us,
started.
June only school opened.
Okay.
Ma'am, our school also
Yes,
started
ma'am.
on
We also
15th.
have offline classes, ma'am. We have online and offline.
Ma'am, I have online only.
Hey, which school offline classes are happening?
You have any idea of Nasrapeta and Guntur district?
Where it is located? Is it Hyderabad or somewhere?
It's like in Guntur district, Nasrapeta.
Okay. Maybe.
Yeah, like
maybe
in that area, it's like
maybe
online and
other
offline.
states have allowed. Maybe in this state, I think there is no offline classes. Very strictly mentioned in my school also. Because of with the boredom with the.
Ma'am, in which school do you teach, ma'am?
No, I will teach in one of the.
Ma'am, now can I be like able to tell you that fact, ma'am, and everyone also?
Yes. Siddharth first.
Ma'am,
Jasmita
after
second.
the quiz.
Yes, ma'am, a little more tough one.
Okay.
Ma'am, you know, ma'am, we are having exams also.
Yeah, first I think
Yes, ma'am, even me. I have
July
7th
14th
only
onwards,
first
right, no?
exam.
July?
Ma'am, I have first exam on 15th. The first exam itself is math.
Our
Yeah,
exams ended 15th.
And my exams are complete. Now I'm like, I started
My
8th
in my
class like just
in
2
my
days
school
ago.
periodical starts from 14th of this month. The first periodical starts
Ma'am,
from.
I have
Ma'am, our school started from
our
Ma'am,
15th
first
periodic
exam.
June,
test
ma'am.
1, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
My summer vacation started.
Oh, okay, right.
Man, since there was like a lockdown in the previous year, we just had like 2 weeks of summer
Yeah.
vacation.
Then please here also you can say share and share the things. If you feel any difficulties, you can share over here because in school
Ma'am, don't
classes
take the
also.
Ma'am,
starting
don't.
ones. Take a little higher grade or the tough ones.
Yeah, that's why I'm always asking about the students too. We'll go with some.
Ma'am,
Uh,
Ma'am, can you keep a higher
high
grade,
grade.
ma'am?
ma'am,
Yeah,
this
high
one,
grade
square
means
roots
you
and
can
squares,
think.
that is 8th
You
grade.
can think at least something.
Ma'am, that is
Yeah.
10th and 11th, 7th grade.
Ma'am, can you keep a
Ma'am,
quiz
we
of
can
9th
Yes,
use
ma'am,
grade,
this
we can
ma'am?
one.
go for this one, 7th and 9th.
Yeah, because maybe let me check the questions first, Nana.
Yes, ma'am, the
Because
accuracy is very less. Ma'am, don't check the questions. They will see.
Ma'am, please don't check the questions. Please, ma'am, please.
okay. Accuracy is 68%. Then
Yes, ma'am,
this
it
is
is
I think
less means.
very less, very less. We'll go with some other, right?
No, ma'am, it is less means the quiz is
Ma'am,
tough.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So it will be nice for us also.
Okay, it's about very simple. I can see very simple questions over here.
Ma'am, let's see.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we'll break the record of their
Yes, ma'am,
like
actually, these
accuracy.
are also very simple ones.
Ma'am, we will break their record.
Okay, break it and very good.
Ma'am, I joined.
Good. Come on, children, because this will help for tomorrow's test.
Ma'am, I think you should start the quiz. Everyone will join in between.
Okay.
Ma'am, everyone has joined only because there are 12 persons, including you.
Right, come on.
Ma'am, one more quizzes, ma'am, after this. Please. Ma'am, I was literally at the top, ma'am, until like I just did a small mistake and then it just went down.
Okay, which bit it is like that? Okay, children, once completed, please leave, children. You can take rest and take no need of wait for me. No
Okay,
need of
ma'am.
wait for me, children. Okay, bye. See you. Take care. Have you? Yeah, there is two more people waiting.
Thank you, ma'am. Take care to you too, ma'am.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Ma'am, can you once scroll down?
1 minute, huh? Zoya is doing well this time. I can see only one purple pattern.
Ma'am, this one was very tough.
No, ma'am, it was not.
Ma'am, like it was kind of tough. Ma'am, non-real numbers also came, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that? What is that?
Non-real numbers.
Okay. And what are other new things you heard in this from this?
Ma'am, irrational numbers and not real numbers, I got confused.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Don't worry.
Ma'am, when I wrote numbers that can be written as fractions are called fractions, it came as rational numbers, ma'am.
Ma'am, I was second at that time. I directly became
very
fifth.
good question. You know very well that fractions are nothing but rational numbers, right?
Ma'am, fractions and rational numbers are almost same, no? That's why I wrote fractions.
Okay. But already the word fraction is given, Jeshmita. You can choose rational number.
Yes.
Yeah, when we are starting the chapter first, I relate with the fractions with rational numbers.
Ma'am, can you scroll
Remember
up?
that part?
Ma'am, and also 14th one, a decimal that terminates and continues forever in a pattern is called. Ma'am, I
Ma'am, I
wrote
did
irrational
irrational,
numbers.
but the answer was rational.
Number. Irrational
Yes,
numbers
ma'am.
only, right?
Yes,
irrational numbers.
Ma'am, and then there is one more. Which of the following is non-real? Select all that apply.
Ma'am, at this time, ma'am, I was second. I directly became fifth after this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
This one was very, very tough.
Okay. Don't worry, children. Learning new things is very important. Don't worry about your wrong things. What is some new things you are learning? That is appreciable. Good. Irrational, not real. You see the many words. You just.
Ma'am, can you scroll at the very top?
Okay. 9 out of 10. Only 2 are.
Ma'am, we will see the accuracy of the class.
Okay, that's why.
Did we beat the accuracy of this?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Hopefully, we will beat the accuracy now.
Yeah, I think I can see only Zoya continuously giving correct answers. I can see only one purple color just in this quiz. That means what, children? She is doing right. Really wonderful. Let me check accuracy. Pallav, are you there, Pallav? Ashrita and Pallav. Please respond, Nana, so that.
Ma'am, I think they left because they're not doing questions here.
Yeah, it's continuously.
The bar thing is not moving.
Okay, shall I end now?
Okay, ma'am.
If they are not if they are not going to complete, means again accuracy will go down.
Yes, ma'am.
Say, Pallav, no need to wait. Pallav, are you there in the Pallav? I think no.
Ma'am, actually, we get left off from the meeting because the mobile can't handle both at same time.
Okay.
And ma'am, if for some time also it is there, both, then the quizzes becomes very slow.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, my quizzes also was very slow.
Yeah, Siddharth first place, Sahasra second place, third place Zoya. Good, Nana. Good. We'll see that where you are doing mistakes. Zoya, I can see second bit you are doing mistake, Zoya. Please check it. What is the second one? Why it happens? The rest all Siddharth, you are giving correct everything.
Ma'am, what's the class accuracy?
Class accuracy you see here. I didn't get where it gets, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can see quiz highlights, class accuracy,
Yes, ma'am,
toughest
that
question, and longest question.
Ma'am, it's 73.
74.
We did beat, ma'am. It was
Yeah. Very good,
it was
Mama.
68. We
73%.
did 73.
Wonderful. Good job.
Ma'am, we beat it by
Right?
5%.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right. Okay, children. Bye. See you, Nana.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Please go with the non-real numbers. What is the rational number? Please just to see that what is the definitions for the numbers.
Ma'am, will you end the meeting?
Yeah, Jashmita, I'm going to end now. Shall I?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Nana. Bye, Jashmita. I think one more appreciable thing, Jashmita, you are 100%, all the classes attendance last month I checked, you are the first place in the class. Very good, Jashmita. I have to appreciate in front of all the students, but I forgot about this point. I'll see just now your name separately so that I can remember. Tomorrow I will inform in front of all the students too. Very good, Nana. Good. That is the
Yes.
serious nature. That is the interest towards the whatever the thing you are giving from the students, from the parents, they are supporting. You are doing 100% successful. That will help definitely for your success here. Thank you. Bye.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.